If you have a little bit confusion regarding how to add the link to your Google Forms subjective part response, then this is the way you will go about. This is a question paper which is opened up in front of us and with the add file section, of course. So we can go to the responses tab. And in the responses tab, we've got three: summary, question, and individual. If we go to the summary tab, it gives us the status of the the question answers which are attempted, the email IDs of the children, and of course the names of the children who have attempted the paper. There are 43 of them, and so I get all the names from here. If I scroll down, I'll get the graph of the paper attempted, the questions attempted, how many have been attempted correctly, and all those data. And I've got the files also here, which the children have added in for the subjective part of their answer question paper. If I go to the question tab, here I'll get all the questions. If I click on this arrow, I get all the questions, including the name, section, class, everything, because all these were included as questions in the paper. And then we have all the MCQs which are auto-corrected, so that is not actually the place where we have to work on. We need to work on the subjective part, that is question number 25 in this case. Okay, and we've got all the files of the children opened up in front of us, so we can just go ahead, correct it, or even if it is beforehand, we can just go ahead and put in the marks and add the links. For example, if I want to put in the link for this paper, okay, which is still not graded, okay, so what I can go do here is that I can just click on the file that has been submitted by the child, and when it opens up, I see the child has scored 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, I'll go to these three dots. I'll go for sharing of this particular paper so that I can obtain the link. So I can get the link, which is not a restricted one. So I will click on restricted, gives me another option of the student accessing it if the child has got the link, anyone with the link. So I go for the anyone with the link. When my permission is updated, I will copy the link, and then my work is done. I will close down this file. Okay, the marks scored by the child over there was 9. Okay, so I can just write like this. I can just click and make it 9, or I can simply select it and write 9 like this. Okay, then my link, that part, I come to add feedback, go to the link symbol. My cursor is already here, so I will right click and come to paste. That is not all. Unless I add, the link will not be pasted. So I will add and then I will save. Okay, so my first paper is done. I will go to the second paper now. I'll go to the second paper, and again when it opens up, I'll just count it. It's 2 plus 2, 4. So again I go to the sharing of link. Same process again repeated. Okay, I'll get the link. I'll anyone with the link, go for anyone with the link. Permission is updated, go for copying the link, and my work is done. Close the paper. The marks scored was 4 over here. So before I forget, if I can just add 9 and 4 and make it 13, 1, 3, or I can just go with the arrows. Okay. Now for adding the second link, I don't have any place for add feedback. So I will go for editing it again. Okay. Again, the link symbol is there. Right click, paste, add, and save. Okay. So my second paper's link is also attached here. Like this, I'll go for the third paper as well. Okay. So this is one way in which you can add from the question paper question paper tab. So this is 2 and 4 makes it 6.5. Okay, so share it. 6.5 is a mark scored, that is to be remembered. Convert the status of the link after it is copy it, done. go back, it is 6.5. So either you can 1 2 3 4